I'm Morgan with Steele Ford Lincoln, and this is our newly landed 2025 Ford Ranger Lariat 4x4 Super Crew. This specific model has the carbonized gray metallic exterior, a 5-foot box, 18-inch black painted aluminum wheels on all-terrain tires, mud flaps in the front and in the rear, and new for 2025, we have the black appearance package. This Ranger also has the Tough Bed spray-in bed liner, integrated box side steps, as well as the off-road package, which includes the electronic locking rear axle, off-road tuned shocks, as well as 2 additional drive modes, mud/ruts, and sand. Taking a look at the interior, you'll find the leather-trimmed ebony bucket seats up in the front and spacious back seats back here. These rear seats do flip up in case you need some extra cabin storage or you just want to store some stuff underneath those seats while they're engaged. Under the hood, you'll find the turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine capable of 270 horsepower with the 10-speed automatic transmission. If you're in the market for a mid-size pickup truck that leaves no road or trail untouched, the Ford Ranger Lariat is the perfect vehicle for you. If you have any questions about this or any of our other vehicles here at Steele Ford Lincoln, please pop on by as we're happy to help.